We're the Dog Whisperers in Manhattan.
And we're on the Upper East Side.
How was your Halloween this year, my mighty fine man?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Very good, very eventful. He went to the Tompkins Square Park Dog Parade.
We can communicate. We speak your language.
We want to be friends.
Kobe just likes hanging around the Upper East Side. He loves his neighborhood. He loves to walk around on his leash, and he loves to come in here to Unleashed.
Unleashed by Petco. Seriously,
Please sponsor us, Petco.
we love you.
No, we're filming.
All right, gentlemen and ladies, can we get a comment or two? What do you guys like about fall?
Fall clothes,
Any
fall
takers?
weather, fall chew toys, they're so good.
It shouldn't be in here. I can't take it.
Cut.
What's your choice drink from Starbucks for the fall? Oh, that's okay.
He doesn't like Starbucks. He's gonna not comment on that one.
He's a Dunkin' Donuts guy. So,
At the end of the day, it's not the answers that the dogs give us. No. What is it?
their spirit, it's the connection we get to make with them, living on the Upper East Side, surrounded by all our canine friends.
We're the Dog Whisperers of Manhattan.
See you next time.